The Harriet Sewing Cabinet will arrive in 3 boxes ready for assembly. Begin by opening box 1 to locate the assembly manual. Continue with boxes 2 and 3. Check to ensure all parts are present for assembly. To help make assembly easier, you can label each panel using a sticky note. Open and inventory the hardware box to ensure all parts are present. Starting with panel D, insert 10 C3 12mm cam locks into side 1. Make sure the cam locks are aligned to the open position when inserting. This will make attaching the panels easier. Insert 8 D1 dowels into the edges of panel D. Use a mallet to tap them in as far as they'll go. Flip panel D to side 2. Attach 2 C1 cam bolts to panel D. Attach 4 C1 cam bolts to panel X. Insert 4 D1 dowel pins into the edges of panel X. Insert 4 C3 cam locks into panel X. Check that each one is aligned to the open position. Attach the left side lift rail to panel X using 3 S1 screws as shown. Insert 4 C3 cam locks into panel Y. Insert 6 D1 dowel pins into the edges of panel Y as shown. Flip panel Y over. Attach 2 C1 cam bolts to panel Y. Attach the magnet using S3 screws as shown. Attach the right lift rail to panel Y using S1 screws as shown. Attach 2 C1 cam bolts to panel Z. Insert 2 C3 cam locks into panel Z. Insert 4 D1 dowel pins into the edges of panel Z. Lay down panel D. Carefully slide panel Y onto panel D, guiding the cam bolts into the cam locks. Tighten the cam locks and apply C2 cam covers. Insert 6 C3 cam locks into panel O2. Align the cam locks to the open position. Insert 2 D1 dowel pins into panel O2 as shown. Lower panel O2 onto panel X as shown. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. The assembly is shown upside down. Position panels D and Y as shown. Attach panels X02 onto panel D and Y. Tighten the cam locks. Apply C2 cam covers. Attach panel Z to panel D as shown. Tighten the cam locks. Apply C2 cam covers. Attach 5 C1 cam bolts to panel G as shown. Carefully lower panel G onto assembly. Guide the bolts into the cam locks. Gently tap on the panel G to lower it flush onto the shell. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Finish securing panel G to the cabinet shell using 4 S7 screws. Attach 2 T2 locking plate casters to the front of the cabinet using B1 fixed bolts. Tighten with enclosed Allen wrench. Attach two T1 non-locking plate casters to the back of the cabinet using B1 fixed bolts. Tighten with enclosed Allen wrench. Lock the two front casters and flip the cabinet onto its wheels. You may need a partner to help with this step, but it is not required. Attach two H1 hinges to panel O using S1 screws. Attach panel O to panel Z using S1 screws as shown. Attach one panel protector to the top edge of panel O as shown. Insert three C3 cam locks to panel O1. Attach three H2 hinges using S2 screws as shown. Insert two D1 dowel pins into panel O1. Attach panel O1 to panel X using S2 screws as shown. Attach 5 C1 cam bolts to panel O4. Insert 6 C4 10mm cam locks into panel O3. Align the cam locks to the open position. Insert 4 C4 cam locks into panel O5. Attach two C1 cam bolts to panel O5. Insert 4 C4 cam locks into the other O5 panel. Attach two C1 cam bolts to panel O5. Attach panel O5 to panel O3 as shown. Tighten the cam locks. Attach the other O5 panel to O3 as shown. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Attach panel O4 to panels O3 and O5. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Attach 8 C1 cam bolts to panel V as shown. Attach the magnet catch plate using S2 screws as shown. Attach the H3 door hooks to panel V using S1 screws as shown. Insert T2 stem caster into the caster bracket. Tighten using enclosed wrench. Attach the door bin assembly to panel V. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Attach the door assembly to panel O1 as shown. Tighten the cam locks. Apply C2 cam covers. Attach the door handle to panel V using B2 fixed bolts.
Don't forget about how great ergonomics can enhance your sewing sessions. The Aero hydraulic sewing chair is the most comfortable chair, and it allows you to sew for hours without end. It's the #1 rated sewing chair in America. Watch this video to get more information. For information about installing your hydraulic lift, we have provided a short video above. You can also access it in the description below.
Attach 11 C1 cam bolts to panel A. Carefully lower the top panel assembly onto the cabinet shell, lining up the cam bolts into the cam locks. Tighten the cam locks and apply cam covers. Apply the clear panel protectors to the corners of the top leaf panels. Attach 4 C1 cam bolts to panel K1 as shown. Attach 4 C1 cam bolts to each panel K. 3 panels total. Insert 2 C4 cam locks into each K3 panel. 4 panels total. Make sure the cam locks are aligned to the open position. Insert 2 C4 cam locks into each K2 panel. 4 panels total. Make sure the cam locks are aligned to the open position. Attach panel K2 to panel K1. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Attach panel K2 to each panel K. 3 panels total. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Attach panel K3 to panel K1. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Attach panel K3 to each panel K. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Slide panel K5 into the grooves on panels K1, K2, and K3. Slide panel K5 into the grooves on panels K, K2, and K3. Repeat with the 2 remaining drawers. Attach the K4 drawer back to panels K2 and K3 using S5 screws. Repeat with the remaining 3 drawers. Attach the handle to the drawer front using B2 fixed bolts. Repeat with the remaining 3 drawers. Carefully slide the K1 drawer assembly onto the lower rails inside the cabinet. Slide the K drawer assemblies into the top 3 drawers. Assembly is now complete. Happy sewing!